National emergency hiling ni President Marcos. Ang Pilipinas ay nasa sobrang panganib sa ngayon. Imminent danger will occur across the country of the Philippines. Dahil sa pagsalakay ng Pilipinas at China, kumilos ang China ng karahasan sa atin. Due to the rivalry between the Philippines and China, China has acted with violence against our country. China has declared that they will nuke the Philippines today. Areas in contact zone: Manila, Cebu City, Quezon City, Caloocan City, Davao City, Puerto Princesa. Kung ikaw ay nasa mga lugar na ito habang nagsasalita kami, kaya ang Diyos, if you are still in these areas as we speak, may God watch over you all. The USA will not help our country. We are on our own. Due to the blast and radiation, the estimated deaths are around 73 million casualties.